Morning everyone. So this morning it's bright and beautiful as it always is in Spain. We have two Rebecca style villas to show you. We are on Sector C, so let's go in and check them out. So these are the properties here. We are on C sector. A very ornate gate here, and as we walk in we have a fabulous pool just there. You have a double terrace because you have that property over there which is separate to this. You've got the pergola and the Rebecca here. And I just thought I'd take this from a different angle so you can get a good idea about this pool. It's quite a large pool as well. And now I'm going to show you the Underbuild. Now the Underbuild has a fabulous bar area and quite like a party house. Somewhere to really enjoy holidays or have friends and family over. Okay, so we're just going down here, down the steps. Now I've just come from those steps there to the Underbuild. And it's absolutely fabulous in here. They do have disco lights up there, which I did get them to calm down a bit for people who are affected by strobing lights. So you have this fabulous bar here, as you can see, and a chiller fridge. The flooring has all been done as well in here. And if I just bring you over here, you've got your music, your TV for your footy. You've got a great area for friends to sit and have a meal. And of course you've got your snooker table or your pool table. And you have disco lights up here as well. So a great place to have a great holiday and have fun really. These are just storage areas. I'll show you one in here. So it's literally just storage. Okay guys, and of course just here you have lots of storage. You've got the catering type cupboards in here for underneath the bar and the shelving for easy maintenance. Okay, so I'll take you upstairs and we'll have a look in the second property. So you've got a lower terrace here with a water point, 2 steps up leading to your second terrace. So you've got a lovely terrace here to sit out on and have a bit of lunch. So let me take you into this next property just here. So just in here, you've got your dining area and you've got a lovely feature fireplace here as well. And this is the other building. So through this archway here, you have 2 more bedrooms. This is the first bedroom. You have a ceiling light and fan and your aircon. So you again have your integrated wardrobe with your overhead storage, and they've put a mirrored door in there, so that is great when you're getting dressed in the evening to go out. You've got that. You've also got behind the chair there, you have TV plug sockets, so if you wanted to put a TV in here. I'm just going to walk you into the bathroom area. This is a beautiful modern bathroom. You've got your sink and vanity unit, your WC, your bath with a semi-frosted shower screen with shower attachment there, and it's all fully tiled from ceiling to floor. Really beautiful, beautiful tiles on the floor as well. Okay, so I'm just going into the next room, which is just in here, the bedroom. You can fit a double bed in here. I know this is a single bed, but you can fit a double bed or 2 single beds in here quite easily and very comfortably as well. So you have your ceiling light and fan, and you have your aircon. And if I just pan around, again, you have that wardrobe with the mirrored glass in, which is really handy, and your overhead storage. So I'm just going to come in and around. These are beautiful homes. So you have got aircon in here, and you have wall heating. In the kitchen, it's top and base units, integrated electric hob and electric oven with your washing machine and your sink and drainer, and room for a fridge freezer there as well. So I'm just going to take you out here, and again you have a lovely area to sit and enjoy the sunshine, or you could have outside dining here. You have some storage here, and your large boiler here as well. Just giving you a feel for the size of the area, and of course you got some guttering up there. A lot of places in Spain don't have guttering. It doesn't rain very much, but it is handy, especially if you're trying to get in on a rainy night. So again, you've got this lovely rooftop solarium. You could put a bar up here if you wanted to. Some false grass. You could put a lazy spa up here. Some loungers, whatever you wanted to make your holiday as pleasant as possible. So we're back down at the bottom of the stairs now, and we're going through the property. If you're interested in either property or as a whole, don't forget to contact info@tolettoseltobuy.com. And do check out our website, tolettoseltobuy.com, for more information and more pictures on this beautiful property. So until the next time, don't forget to share, like and subscribe. And I see you guys again next time, because somebody out there would love this property.